skincare issues can be major problems to deal with. There are some people who deal with skin allergies more. They need to visit dermatologists often, and the hefty fees can sometimes get too heavy on their pockets. One such kind of skin condition is eczema, a disease that can happen to people of all ages. Now, there are many kinds of eczemas, but the most common one is atopic dermatitis. It is believed that around 27 million children and adults in the USA suffer from atopic dermatitis. Even though this type of eczema is not contagious or severe, it's very painful. Eczema outbreaks usually cause a lot of skin irritation and itchiness, which agitate the sufferer. Another main concern is this kind of eczema appears in large patches which are easily visible. This condition also comes with a lot of mental and physical discomfort, which is usually difficult to endure. Now, as eczema is a chronic disease, it can hardly be cured completely. However, there are some effective treatment methods that, if followed properly, can ease your symptoms, even if it does not cure the disease on the whole. So in this video, there are a few eczema treatment tips and tricks which will help you lead a better life if you follow them properly. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the video. People who have eczema are often the ones to have food allergies. Often it's hard to connect flare-ups with diet, especially for adults. So you need to keep track of the food that you eat on a daily basis. And especially during an itch outbreak, you may find potential links in your diet. Now, if you notice a consistent trigger after intaking eggs, soy, or milk, then your derm may suggest you to an allergist for further testing. You may have often heard that coconut oil is good for your hair. The good news for those who are suffering from eczema is that coconut oil can be a healing medicine. Coconut oil contains a rare substance called lauric acid. This lauric acid helps in fighting bacteria and microorganisms that can cause eczema. You can use the oil as a moisturizer. Coconut oil helps in soothing while penetrating deep into your skin and protects you from unwanted environment and chemical damage. Stress plays a huge role in impacting your skin condition. It is said that there is a connection between your mind and your skin. If you have been practicing gentle skincare and using their prescriptions without any improvements, then you need to keep on looking at the missing pieces. And that may be you need to get plenty of sleep without any worry and anxiety. You may find that these steps are helping in improving your skin. We all have heard about the benefits of vitamin C in skincare. Vitamin C is a great way to help you in protecting and nourishing your skin. This also might help you in fighting eczema outbreaks. Now, you can increase the intake of your vitamin C by consuming fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamin C. Also, there are many vitamin C supplements available on the market, and you can take them as well. You may feel good spending a lot of time in a steaming hot shower, but you won't get the benefit of increasing the shower temperature. If you have mild cases of eczema, these bits of changes in your lifestyle will make a huge difference. Take a short lukewarm shower and moisturize your skin properly. It's best to moisturize your skin when it's damp. The best part would be after showering. Moisturize your skin twice a day. We are all familiar with the magical effects of aloe vera. It is an excellent moisturizer and skin soother. Vitamin E, on the other hand, is used in many beautifying recipes and has many anti-inflammatory properties. Now, you can mix aloe vera and vitamin E in equal proportions and apply them to your skin with a cotton pad. This will help you in calming down the inflammation and aid in soothing your skin. People with eczema are usually prone to infections, so you can try bleach baths, which can help you in disinfecting the skin. Once or twice a week, you can add a half cup of bleach to the tub and soak for 10 minutes. These are a few tips and tricks that will help you treat and take care of eczema flares. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.